This is a brand new 2014 Toyota Tundra. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 5.7-liter V8, and four-wheel drive. Its top features include commercial-free satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, front side impact airbags, full power accessories, a rear window defroster, front and rear reading lights, a keyless entry system, and an auxiliary power outlet. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Andy Mohr Toyota is Indiana's premier Toyota dealership to purchase new Toyotas, used cars, and Toyota certified pre-owned vehicles. Located in Avon and serving the greater Indianapolis metro area, we currently stock over 600 new, used, and certified pre-owned vehicles. Visit us today at 8941 East US Highway 36 or see us online at andymohrtoyota.net.